To enable live streaming on YouTube, open your browser. In address bar or in Google search, type OBS and press enter. Here you can see the website. Simply open it. Select your download option as per your operating system. After downloading, open the application and install it. Then go to your YouTube studio and click on create. Select go live. If you'll see this error message, then simply click on try again and wait for a while. From the streaming dashboard, simply copy the streaming key, open the OBS app, then click on settings. On the left panel, select stream, click on use stream key, paste the stream key here, then click on apply and OK. And it's done. Now you can easily stream on YouTube. If you want to know how to set up OBS app or your YouTube streaming dashboard, then check out the video link given in the description. See you in the next video.